Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to learn to read music for guitar only way. Begin by mastering the staff, treble clef, ledger lines, and note names, then map those notes to your fretboard one string at a time. Learn basic rhythms, note values, and simple time signatures. Use a metronome, slow practice, and sight reading exercises. Focus on short sessions and consistent repetition to build fluent reading ability. Move from theory to the fretboard with focused mapping drills and pattern recognition, linking staff notes to exact frets. Practice single-line melodies slowly, then increase tempo with a metronome, keeping accuracy over speed. Add chords and arpeggio reading to expand context and recognize shapes. Use sight reading apps or simple etudes, and track progress weekly to stay motivated and clear about gains. Small daily wins compound quickly into fluency. Rhythm is as important as pitch. Count aloud and tap foot to lock the beat. Break measures into smaller units, clap rhythms before playing, and practice time signatures like 4/4, 3/4, and 6/8. Use flashcards for note recognition, read ahead 2 beats while playing, and practice reading in different keys. Gradual challenge keeps learning fun and sustainable. Celebrate small wins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.